Okay, so we're on step 5, and just like we did with the quacks, we took the quacks and kind of built what I call a string or a stair step of volume pressure to get kind of a realistic string. I mean, we're going to learn to put more voice in it later. So now we're going to take the basic tuka and start to build a rolling feed call. So we're taking that word and we're starting to put it together just like we did with the quacks. Instead of to put a string together is what we would call it with the quacks, this is going to be putting tukas together to kind of get a rolling feed call. And we're just going to increase the speed as we go. But make sure that you get the word right, because that's where you can start getting tongue-tied if you don't pronounce it right every time. So I'm using the word tuka there. You can use duga. Anything that will get those syllables out and that air pressure out to hit your hand right, that's the word that's most comfortable for you is what you need to use. So this is the rolling feed call. It doesn't sound just like a duck right now, but later on we're going to learn how to add that realism to it. Right now we're just wanting to increase the speed.